Oh, there he is. What is it?
That's a fatty.
Hey, welcome everyone.
Rebecca and Josh back at it again. We're here on the creek. We're gonna float down into the river. We got a late afternoon start. We figured the waters are cooling down anyways. Let the sun come out, see if the smallmouth are fired up. So without further ado, let's hop in the yaks and get on the water. Thanks for tuning in. All right, figured I'd show you guys what we're using today. I got this chatterbait with this nice colorful trailer on there. I don't know who makes the trailer, and it looks like Roadrunner makes the chatterbait. I got it from a buddy of mine, Jim, that I'm always fishing with. It's got a little spinning blade on the bottom, and I really like that. Figured that'd get some attention. Along with the Strike King Chick Magnet in Tips Special, that is the color. I really like these. Without further ado, let's get into the fishing action. I think we're gonna start off with the chatterbait. Oh, I'm talking and Rebecca's already got a smallie on up there. How about that? Good job, babe. What'd you catch that on?
Top water.
Top water.
Got one. Nice. I'm fine though. Took me a while.
Oh, she's got a fish on. Oh, I seen that.
Fish on. Oh, he came off. Oh, there he is. What is it? Big smallmouth? Crazy. It's a really nice smallmouth. Look, that's a nice one. Hope I'm recording. Send him back. A little pike. Nice. Got a little throw up.
There's gonna be one in this little eddy right here for sure. There he is. Largemouth, it looks like. Yeah, it is. Knew there'd be one in that little eddy. There's probably more in there. Oh yeah. Yeah.
Take one of these though. Please take the scissors.
Okay. Little largemouth.
Nice.
Take a picture with you in the background. Let this little guy go. Oh wow, he jumped back out of the water and flipped. Yeah, I didn't fully get the full bit. Yeah. That looks like Steve with some other people.
There's one. Little guy. Golfed it. Better get him going. That's my lifeline.
Yep.
Really hooked.
That's a fatty. I lost a big one down there. I think it was a largemouth.
I think that was a one. Got it. Seems like the top water bite turned off.
Yeah. Well, I did just lose that largemouth. That's a nice little chunky chunk. Not bad. All right, let's get that butte back in the water. Oh, lost him. He grabbed it last minute. Little guy did.
Well, that's a wrap, folks. I fished top water mainly today and a little bit of the spinnerbait, and it paid off pretty well. Got on some multi-species, but I got my last bit of top water in for the season, I think. Maybe not, but there's so many leaves on the water. It's pretty tough.
It's definitely hard to fish with all the leaves on the water. I didn't start off with top water. I didn't think it was going to be that good, and boy, it was fired up for her. She was catching fish after fish.
Yep.
I tried to stay persistent with the chatterbait, and it wasn't working, so I ended up switching to the top water. I got one largemouth on it, a little chunk, but he wasn't that big. I did lose another pretty good largemouth on the top water, and then I switched back to the crankbait, and I finally landed a decent smallmouth for the day. So she had a good day today. I had an average day, you know, at least I caught some fish. But that's it. Thanks for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe. Until next time.